A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all?
I am fine.
Okay, very good, very good. My dear students, in the previous session, we have completed doing the entire lesson number 9, my kite. We have done the exercises and I had requested you to do a small activity based on the kite. Who all have done it? Please raise your hands and show me the activity done by you. Come on, do it.
When the class ended, I only did.
Okay, Drisha, good. Please show your book to me on page number 7.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Keep your devices muted. I will check everybody's work. Okay, very good.
Ma'am Joanna.
Yes, very good. You have done fantastically well. Only Aiden has used some extra color. All the others have color only where the numbers are written. Very good. Yes, some of you have colored a little extra where there are no numbers printed, but most of the others have done it very well. Very well. Very good. No need to call out your names. I can see everybody's activity from here. What about the others? Vaiga, Jewel Maria, Adya, Alankrita, Dhyan. Where are your books? You must keep the books ready beforehand. Aiden, where is your book?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have network problem in that class. That's why I didn't hear that.
Okay, Nesta, no problem. You can get it done and show it to me in the next session. Okay, Nesta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so all those who have done it, completed the activity. Gayatri, very good. Sam, very good. Eric, very good. Okay. Those who have missed out doing the activity for some reason, you may please complete it. Shrisham, yes, very neat. You may complete it and show it to me in the next class. Okay? Yes? Did everybody hear the instructions? Yes, okay, that's good. Christabel, okay, Christabel has made it very colorful. Okay, Christabel, good. Advika, okay, good. Colorful kite. Yes. Asya Aisha, where is your... Yes, Asya and Aisha, very good. Very good. Helen, okay, very good. Very good. Sorry? Okay, very good, very good. So my dear students, now those who have shown me the activity very good, those who have not been able to complete it for some reason, whatever it is, do it and show it to me in the next class. Okay? Is that fine?
Ma'am, Jasmine.
Okay, Jasmine. Yeah, good. Good. Today we are going to start with the next lesson. That is lesson number 10. Lesson number 10. The title of lesson number 10 is Who is the Winner? Who is the winner? Yes, Vaiga?
Number?
Page number 13. Page number 13, lesson number 10. The title is Who is the Winner? Lesson number 10. Who is the winner?
Name?
Yes, Ivania?
Page number?
13. Page number 13.
Ma'am, what book?
Literature textbook part 2. Okay. So this lesson number 10 titled Who is the Winner is actually a story about an animal race, and we need to see finally who wins the race. My dear students, do you remember the word race? What is a race? What is a race? R-A-C-E, race. Yes, Rituparna?
Running
Race.
races. Running races.
Running race, yes. What is the word that you said earlier, Rituparna?
Competition. Gossip.
Competition, yes, Risha. Competition of what?
Of running.
Yeah, running. It can be done in different ways.
Like swimming.
Who can? Yeah, swimming competition, okay. What else? There are different kinds of race. What are they? Different kinds are there. Huh? There are different kinds of races. Yes, Rituparna?
Long jump.
Long jump is a type of game. It's not a race. Long jump is not a race, my dear. Race is about running or walking.
Man,
Yeah. Car race, yes. Car race. Very good. Car race, you're right. Then what else? Bike race, yes. Cycle race. Okay, very good. Then what else? Car race, bike race, cycle race. What others? What are the other types? Anybody else wants to share? Sorry?
Cooking race.
Cooking race. Horse. That is not the way to answer. Now, if this is the way you are answering, I will not hear. Raise your hands, those who want to speak. Raise your hands, those who want to speak. Mute your devices and raise your hands. Those who want to answer, raise your hands. Yes. Yes, Joanna Rose. Tell.
Skating.
Skating race, yes. Okay, very good. And mute your device soon after answering. Then Jasmine, come on. Jasmine. Others wait.
Horse race.
Horse race, yes. Somebody else said that already. Okay, Jasmine. Helen, yes.
Swing. Swimming race.
Swimming. That is also said. Gayatri, yes.
Playing.
Sorry?
Playing. Bicycle
Playing. Playing. What kind of playing? No,
Yes.
Gayatri. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Playing races, there is no playing race.
Ma'am, skiing race.
Yes, Jasmine?
Skiing race.
Seeing.
Cooking race.
Skiing.
Cooking race.
Cooking race. What is that?
Skiing race.
Skiing race. Okay, skiing race, I agree.
Yes.
Then what else? Yes, Asia and Aisha want to say something. Others wait. Yes.
Frog jumping.
Sorry?
Frog jumping.
Frog jump. Yes, very good. Yes, Asia, Aisha.
Cycle.
Cycle race, yes, that somebody else already said, my dear. One of you has already. Yes, Srihari is trying to say something. Yes, what is it, Srihari?
Car racing.
Fahim, wait.
Jumping.
Jumping. What jumping? Jumping on both legs? One leg jumping race is there. Both leg
Yes.
jumping race is there. Yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am.
okay, good, Srihari.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Hurdles.
Jaswin?
Ma'am. Hurdles.
Hurdles, hurdles. Yes, Jaswin said something different. What is that?
Sack racing.
Sack racing, yes, fantastic. Where the participant gets inside a sack and with the sack, the child or the participant will jump. And tell me one thing. In all these different kinds of races, who is the winner? Who is the winner? Who wins the race?
Deer.
Sorry?
Yeah.
No, no, no. I'm not talking about this story. I'm talking in general. In all these different kinds of races, who is the winner? The one who comes? Yes, the winner is the one who comes first. The one who comes first is the winner. But, my dear students, is it only important to be a winner of the race? Is it the only thing that is important? Being the
No.
winner of the race.
No.
What else is equally important? What else is equally important as winning the race? Let the race be of any kind. What else is equally important? Yes, Jasmine? Yes, Risha? To have fun. Okay, is it only about having fun? What else? Do not hurt others. Yes, very good. Very good. What else? Yes, Jasmine? Sorry? You're facing network issues there, my dear. Fahim, sit properly. Yes. Rituparna?
Don't foul.
Don't do foul play. Yes, very good. Very good. That is very important. Whatever you are trying to do it in an honest manner, sincere and honest way. Do not do any sort of foul play or something that is done in a wrong way. Follow the rules. That is the main thing. Whatever you are participating in, equally important than winning is participation. That too in a very good way, following all the rules that are set. My dear students, for each and everything that we do, there are specific rules, right? Even when we are at school, be it any other place, there are certain rules. Whether they are printed, announced or not, we are aware of those rules and we should be following them. My dear students, let me tell you, animals living in the forests or jungles also follow these rules. And if anybody does any kind of foul play in between, they will be disqualified. Right? Disqualified means they will not be able to continue with participation in that particular event. Got it, everybody?
Like in the school when we had to stay in a line.
Yes, you need to walk in a line. When you are enjoying, you can do anything that you want, but see to it that you don't hurt others or disrespect others. Okay? Both by your deeds and your words. While speaking also, we must be very careful. We must see that we don't hurt the feelings of others. Okay? So all these things are to be taken care of. But understand this one thing. Some of us think that animals can do whatever they want, but that is not the fact. When the animals are living together, that is in a forest or maybe a wildlife sanctuary or any other place where animals are kept together, they follow the rules. They are also following the rules. Okay, so this is one story wherein we will be understanding about the rules and regulations followed even by the animals. Are you ready to learn? Yes, did you get some idea about this story? Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to share the screen. I request everybody to be on page number 14 of your literature textbook. Page number 14.
Ma'am, 4-1.
Sorry? Page
Ma'am,
number 14.
Me.
Yes. Rituparna, please start reading.
Me.
Yeah, who's calling me? Others mute your devices. Rituparna, start reading. From one day.
1 for another.
1 for another.
Hmm. I cannot hear you, my dear. One day.
One day, lion, the king of the jungle,
Hmm.
has an idea.
Has an idea. Hmm? Continue.
We will
Try to read it on your own.
have a race.
H-A-V-E. Have.
Have a race.
Don't drag the word, my dear. Not needed. A race.
A race.
A race. Yes, very good. Continue.
He
Hmm.
and I can
Ta-
see the word.
Tells. Tells.
Tell.
Tells. Tells.
Tell.
Hmm. Hmm.
On
Very good.
on the
Hmm.
number
14. Kindly do not speak in between. Yes, Rituparna, you may continue. He
animal.
tells all the.
He tells all the
Hmm.
animals.
Very good. You must try to read on your own like this. Good. Continue. What is the next three-letter word? T-H-E.
The
The. Take help of the letter sounds. R-A-C-E.
Run.
Once again.
Run.
No. R-U-N is to be read as run. What is this? R-A-C-E. R-A-C-E. Rituparna, please unmute and continue reading. Yeah. Don't mute, unmute it. Yeah, don't touch the
Race.
icon now. R-A-C-E. Race.
Race.
Continue.
S. Two. B.
To be. To be.
B. To be.
What is the last
Four.
word? F-A-I-R. F-A-I-R. What is the sound for the letter F?
Fair.
F. Yes, very good. Fair. The race has to be fair. Okay, let's go back to the first sentence. I will explain each and every sentence. Try reading it one more time. Rituparna, come on, go ahead.
One thing. Lion. The king of the jungle. Has.
Very good.
An idea.
A says a, N says n. What is this word? An. Yes. An. After that?
Idea.
Idea. Fantastic. So the story starts on a note wherein lion, one particular day, one fine day, lion. Who is the lion? The king of the jungle. Who's the lion? The king of the jungle.
King
Of the jungle has an idea. What does he have? He has an idea. See the lady here? She is thinking of something. Then after thinking of something for some time, she gets an idea. Did you see this bulb here? That represents the fact that she has got some idea in her mind. Idea means a thought. See, when we are sitting without doing anything, we keep thinking about many things. After some time, we get some particular thoughts of what we are going to do next or what we should do next. That is called thought. Thought, think. Okay, Rituparna, what is your plan to do after this session? After this session?
Eat.
Sorry?
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast, yes. So now you are sitting, you are paying attention. You must not have had anything since morning, maybe a glass of milk or something, right? But you're feeling hungry now. So you start thinking. And after thinking for some time, you get an idea, a thought that you must have breakfast. Okay? Got it? The same way, one day, lion, the king of the jungle, was sitting. And after thinking for some time, he has an idea. Idea means a thought. Idea. The word idea means a thought. What is the meaning of idea?
Idea means a thought.
A thought. A
A
thought.
thought.
A thought. Yes.
A thought.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Then what is the thought? Now let us understand what is the thought that he gets. Come on. Continue one more time.
One day, lion
That is done, right? After that, the next one. We will.
idea.
After that, we will.
We will
HAVE.
wait.
We will have.
Have
HAVE. Have.
a
Hmm?
race.
Yes, very good. He.
He
TELLS. Tells. Yes. Tells.
all
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
animal.
Yes, very good. See, when you're trying to read on your own, you are gaining confidence slowly. It may take time, but try to do it yourself. Okay, Rituparna? Good girl. You're a very good girl.
ma'am.
Keep practicing, okay? So, what is the idea that he
Okay.
gets in his mind? The lion gets an idea about conducting a race. And when he gets that thought in his mind, he goes and tells all the animals. My dear students, do you remember the race that you have participated in at school? Do you remember the school playground and track? You remember in LKG, you must have been in LKG at that time, right? When you have participated in a race? Yes, you remember? This is the running race. There are portions marked for the participants to run. These are called the tracks. Track. Which race is this happening here in this image? Which race is this? Which race is this that you can see in this picture? Sorry?
Football.
Football. This is a football. Running race. Yes.
Running race.
Football happens. Yes, yes.
Running
Very good, very good. Okay. So finally, when the Lion King gets an idea of having a race for the animals, conducting a race for the animals, he goes
Running
and
race.
informs all the other animals about it. Okay. Thank you, Rituparna. Very good effort. Please continue practicing reading on your own. Okay, Rituparna? Christabel, continue reading. Yes, my dear.
One day,
That is done. I want you to continue.
lion.
Christabel, continue. Thank you, Rituparna.
To be fair.
The race has to be
Fair.
fair. F-A-I-R, fair. The race has to be fair. Christabel, do you have any idea about the word fair? What does it mean? From your face, I think you don't have much idea. Is that right?
I don't know.
It's absolutely fine, my dear. We are learning here, right? That is how we learn. We don't know everything. Yes, that is why we are learning. So it's absolutely fine if you don't know anything about a particular topic. Okay, I will help you all in understanding. The race has to be fair. F-A-I-R, fair. My dear students, let me tell you that the meaning of fair is to treat everyone equally. To treat everyone equally. Equally. To treat everyone equally. Don't just read it, understand it. That is very important. Now, I want everybody to look at this image. A child is there. A child is there. See, he's wearing a green shirt and maroon kind of colored pants. He is having 4 sweets or 4 fruits. Looks like apple. Okay, 4 fruits in his plate. And there are, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3 on one side and 1 himself. 4 people are there, right? 4 people are there.
Yes.
So the child wants to be fair with his friends. So how should he distribute the apples? If he wants to be fair with his friends, how must he distribute the apples with them?
Equal.
Equal. What is equal? What do you mean by equal?
Same.
Same. Okay. Equal means same. So how many will each one get? Each one will get? How many? How many? See, look here. There are 4 apples and 4 children. So how many will each child get? 1. Yes. If the distribution is done in an equal or fair way, each child will get only 1 apple. Do you remember celebrating your birthday at school in your class? Some of you must have definitely got a chance to do that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
earlier we used to give chocolates to students, but later on that was stopped because of other reasons. Maintaining the school in a clean manner, many other things, taking into consideration many other things as such, that was stopped, right? But when we get chocolates for our friends, we try to distribute them equally between all the students present, right? Yes, if there are 40 chocolates, each one will be given 1. If there are more, depending on the number, each child will be given equally, right? That is the meaning of being fair. Being fair. Treating everyone equally. Treating everyone equally. Being fair means treating everyone equally. Equally in the same way. So, what all have we learned, my dear students, today? This story is about a... Okay, Christabel, you tried to read well. Good. Thank you. This story is about a race which is happening in the jungle. In the jungle. Which animals live in the jungle?
Wild animals.
Wild animals. Very good. Who is the king of the jungle?
Lion.
The lion. One day, what does he get in his mind?
Idea.
Idea. What is the meaning of idea?
Idea.
Idea means a thought. A thought.
Stop.
And what is the thought that he gets in his mind?
Race.
To conduct a race for whom?
Animal.
For the animals. But what is the most important thing that lion wants? The race has to be
Fair.
fair. What is the spelling of fair? F-A-I-R. F-A-I-R. Fair. The meaning of fair is
Equally.
to be treated equally. Okay, very good. So, my dear students, it is time for me to wind up the session here. Did you enjoy? Try to read those 3 sentences today itself, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye.